Hello, welcome in. We are solving engineering services pre 2018 mechanical engineering paper question number 146 is statement 1. If a boat built with sheet metal on wooden frame has an average density which is greater than that of water, then the boat can float in water with its hollow face upward but will sink once it overturns. Statement 2. Buoyant force always acts in the upward direction. Options are option A is both statement 1 and 2 are individually true and statement 2 is the correct explanation of statement 1. Option B, both statement 1 and statement 2 are individually true but statement 2 is not the correct explanation of statement 1. Option C, statement 1 is true but statement 2 is false. Option D, statement 1 is false but statement 2 is true. So here answer is B. So this is the condition when the average density of the boat is more than the more than water and with a hollow face upward. So then the center of buoyancy will go downward and meta center will be in between B and G. So when meta center is in between B and G, then it is a condition of unstable equilibrium. So when a couple is applied, then this W and F buoyant force will also create a favoring couple. So it will also sink the boat. So first statement is true, and FB is acting in our upward direction, but it doesn't mean that FB is always acting in upward direction, whether it is a case of stable equilibrium or unstable equilibrium. So that has nothing to do with the statement 1. So both statements are individually true and statement 2 is not the correct explanation of statement 1. So answer is option B.